Josh Walker here with Legit LED. We have the Zombie Edition Legit Tundra parked right in front of the house. Skull projectors. Got the mini 10 inches, mini 6s, and of course the big 50 row on top. Just recently installed some train horns. So we've got the truck going in the driveway. Got the soffit lights of the house going for Halloween via the iPhone app. And what we're gonna do tonight, see the rest of them there, we're gonna use the train horns and all the lights on the Legit Tundra for all those kids trick-or-treating that have armpit hair. It's gonna be awesome. All right, got my first customers. They're all at the door. Gonna let a couple of little ones get out of the way. And here comes the big ones. Oh, they jumped so high! Got a big group. Big kids mixed in with little kids. They are all mine. Wife's giving them candy. Oh, here's Dad right here. I'm gonna make Dad pee his pants. Here it comes. Oh, Dad's gonna pee his pants. Come on out, kids. They were so afraid to come up to the front door. So apprehensive. Even Dad was apprehensive. They're talking about the lights. Here it comes. She's down the road! Yes! Yeah! It's worth more. They're collapsing in the street. Oh God, you have to get this. The one of them ran right out of the street and she's crying. Alright, these kids are way too old to be trick-or-treating. One of them's like 6 feet tall. There's a bunch of little kids, but we've crossed the line. Game over. You got facial hair? I'm gonna get ya. Here they come. Hi guys. Alright, there's my neighbors. Right across the hood. All the kids. Here it comes. No. Hang on just a second. Hang on, wait for it. Alright. Here we go. About to liberate every parent out there or homeowner. It's past 8:30. And they're still trick-or-treating. Well, guess what? You shouldn't do that. Little guy, big guy.
Whoa.
Tell me again.
Well, she said it scared the heck out of her.
Alright, even later than 8:30. Oh, double liberation, and he's by himself. Guess what? You're about to have a friend. It's called urine in the pants. Oh yeah, come on. Alright, past 9 o'clock and he's holding a baby. But here's the thing. It's too late. there's any questionable doubt that I'm going to heaven. St. Peter sees this, he's gonna be like, come on in, dude. 9 o'clocker. Here it comes. 1, 2. Total liberation. I'm going to bed.